Check out this 2006 BMW 3 Series. Travel the roads in style and comfort in this great vehicle. With a solid 6-cylinder engine connected to a smooth shifting transmission, you will appreciate the safety feature of anti-lock brakes. Enjoy the flexibility of multi-zone temperature controls. Let the outside in with a built-in sunroof. Plus, enjoy these notable features that are included in this vehicle: air conditioning, power door locks, power windows, power steering, cruise control, power mirrors, an AM/FM stereo with a CD player. And for your peace of mind, the following safety equipment is included: front ventilated disc brakes, passenger airbag, side airbag, curtain head airbags, stability control, daytime running lights. Call today to schedule a test drive.